Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Apple Watch and iPhone are updated so complications and third-party faces work properly. You open the Watch app and go straight to Face Gallery. This is where luxury-style faces and premium complications appear. Once done, allow permissions for photos, calendars, and any watch complication apps you plan to use, because those data sources create the polished look. Make sure to sign into the same Apple ID on both devices. This sync is what lets you push a custom face from phone to wrist. Now you pick a premium base face, chronograph, modular, or portrait, and tap Customize to edit layers. You set colors, typefaces, and complication slots. Choose contrasting metallic tones or monochrome palettes for a luxury feel. Then import a high-resolution image or use portrait mode to create depth behind hands. Next, open complication apps and assign premium complications like travel time, stock tickers, or world clocks. These small details elevate the look while providing utility. So invest time selecting high-quality finish by tapping Add to push the custom face to your watch. Then check how complications align and whether animations are smooth on wrist. If something looks off, make small edits back in the Watch app and resync. You can also change complications directly on the watch by pressing and holding a face. If the face won't appear, restart both devices, confirm app permissions, and try removing and re-adding the face. That troubleshooting step resolves most sync and permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.